Alright, good morning, guys. I'm musky fishing again. And to be perfectly honest, I've struck out the last 7 or 8 times trying to catch a muskie. So I guess I wasn't feeling too hopeful this particular morning because I didn't film an intro. That being said, I do get to get my hands on one in this video, which is kind of cool. Give you a little context. I'm on the Wisconsin River. It's early November, and I'm fishing below a dam somewhere along the river. Gonna be chucking some Clyde baits and some jerk baits, and let's just see what happens. Turned on it. I got something for him. I got something for him. I'm shaking, that's a big one. Keep it together. Keep it together. Yeah, can I get into that real quick? Ready? Head first. I'm gonna swing around the other way.
Yep.
And just have that in the water.
Yep.
And I'll pull it right into there. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. I figured you saw something because you were casting at it.
Yeah. He came. I'm just gonna pull him to this side because all these boats are gonna come. Let's get him in the water, actually. Oh, she's beat up, huh?
Yeah.
Looks out.
It's funny. I'm looking for my first muskie.
There's a ton. There's a ton here. And they're actually, it's the third one I've seen this morning.
Really?
Yeah. It's the smallest one too.
Really?
Yeah.
You caught the other two?
No, I only had follows. I didn't think this one was gonna eat it. Just kind of nipped it.
Think I have a chance if I threw something in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone's throwing like really big stuff for the muskie,
Yeah.
but I've been having a lot better luck with small stuff lately. Just
Yeah, I don't got much.
even better. We're gonna get this girl to just sit right here for a second. Calm down. Not too bad. For a nice little weed muskie. Get a measure on that real quick and probably let her go. Definitely a recycled fish though. I think she's blind in this one eye. And she's definitely beat up on that side. Pretty cool. There she goes. Catching her breath. Good. I wonder if she was just caught last night. That was like perfect timing. Right when I hooked up, you guys just came out of nowhere. We're there for the net. That probably would have been pretty tough to do by myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see where the rocks are sticking up?
Yeah.
And that thing just jumped? It's to the left. So yeah, yeah, like that's like almost the edge. Yeah, perfect. That's where I slept last night. Enjoying myself a nice little oatmeal cookie, because cookies are for closers. And I just closed the big muskie. Well, yeah, on to the next spot. It's shallower than I thought it was going to be. But it's also clearer than I thought it was going to be. I appreciate you guys watching. I had a lot of fun with this one. It's the first muskie that I've gotten on camera, like filmed the entire time, which is cool. Hopefully the footage came out somewhat decent. I didn't even measure it. It kind of all happened so fast, but I guess that's why you film it. You can look back on it. I'm gonna go find somewhere else to fish. Hopefully I catch another giant, and I'll see you guys there.